this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix LDPlayer not detecting Virtualization Technology, or VT. 1. Uncheck the hardware-assisted virtualization feature in Avast if you're using it. If you have Avast free antivirus installed, open it and click on the menu in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu and go to Troubleshooting and uncheck Enable Hardware-Assisted Virtualization. Click OK to save the changes and restart your computer. Just note that the UI and settings may vary depending on your Avast version. 2. Disable some Windows features on your Windows PC. Go to Control Panel. You can search for Control Panel in the search bar at the bottom left of your PC and open it. In the Control Panel Home, navigate to Programs, Programs and Features, and turn off features on or off. In the window that appears, uncheck Hyper-V Virtual Machine Platform or Windows Hypervision Platform and Windows Sandbox. Click OK to save the settings and restart your computer to apply the changes. If needed, you can also turn off the Hyper-V via command prompt. And that's it. These steps should help LDPlayer detect your enabled VT. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.